Hi, I'm Marty Switzer. With me today is John Tringali from WCM Investment Management. G'day, John.
G'day, Marty.
Today we're going to talk about a company called Alcon. Can you tell us what these guys do?
Yeah, so Alcon, it's a medical device company in the field of ophthalmology. So things like contact lenses, and then on the surgical side, intraocular lenses that go into the eyes of cataract patients. So as people get older, actually a pretty large percentage of the population needs this cataract surgery to correct their vision, again, as they age. So it's a company that we actually owned about 10 years ago when it was an independent company. It was acquired by Novartis, which is a Swiss pharma company. And as we see happen so often, you have a company that becomes a relatively small piece of a much bigger business. It gets under-focused on, under-invested in. And so this was a company that's really lagged in terms of their innovation and in terms of their market share. They've given up probably over 10% share in the key categories. It's now been spun out as an independent company again, and we're excited to buy.
And John, how does this company fit the WCM investment criteria in terms of having a growing competitive advantage and a corporate culture that supports that competitive advantage?
Yeah, a couple things. So first, the underlying category really fits what we look for in terms of durable growth, durable tailwinds. When you think about aging populations around the globe, people getting older, people are going to need these cataract surgeries, people are going to increasingly need contact lenses. So we like where they're playing. In terms of their moat, they've got great products, which tend to be very sticky. Once someone finds a contact lens that they like, they very seldom switch. And then same on the surgical side with these intraocular lenses. Once a doctor really believes in a certain cataract lens, they're going to use that consistently, and Alcon is getting that preferred share on the bench.
And the culture?
This is a culture that is under Novartis suffered. That's a big pharma company, and so a lot of big pharma practices were imposed upon Alcon. So in terms of how they sell, they weren't allowed to have as close of relationships with the ophthalmologists, their customers. They didn't have as much of a focus on R&D and kind of pushing innovation, getting best-in-class products to the market. Now, as an independent company, they've realized they've got to focus on those areas, and we're already seeing best-in-breed products coming to market and some of the effects of that taking place.
John, thanks for your time.
Thanks, Marty.